Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given the position of three hotels, ABC. Bearing of B from A is also given, 162 degrees, and the distance between each point is also given. Part A, find angle BAC. Well, I saw that three sides of this triangle has been given, and when that happens, it means that we can apply cosine rule fairly straightforward and easily. So for part A is simply the application of cosine rule. The other version where we required to find the angle in this case. So angle BAC, right, is simply the cosine inverse of the B square plus C square. So in this case, is going to use some color coding so that you can see it easily. The angle is here. Usually we always start with the two sides that make the angle for all cosine rule formula. So in this case will be 4 square plus 6 square. Then I minus away the remaining side over 2 times 4 times 6. And this will give me a value of 55.771 to about 5 significant figures, 55.8 degree, 1 decimal place. Done for part A. For part B, bearing of C from A, I'm going to replicate this diagram out. Just to copy this question down. C from A, okay, good. So from A is where I'm going to draw my north arrow, and in this case, the north arrow is here. Good. AC will be the ending line. Bearing shall start with the north arrow in the clockwise direction until it reaches the ending line. So this is the angle we are looking at. And because we already know from part A, this is 55.771. This point, right, going back to the question, I saw this piece of important information. Bearing of B from A is 162 degrees. What this means is that from here, AB is the ending line. So the question already tells me that this whole part is 162 degrees. This is 55.771 degree. So what do you think we can do to find the blue color bearing? Yes. (162) minus away the 55.771. And that would be the bearing of C from A. To 1 decimal place. And last part of this will be bearing of B from C. Again, I'm going to replicate this diagram. bearing of B from C, this would mean that I will need to draw the north arrow at point C. BC would be the ending line. So the bearing we are talking about now becomes this. Alright, one approach here would then be, previously we have found that this particular angle is 106.229 degree, and by interior angles I would then be able to get this red color angle here, because this north arrow and this north arrow, they are parallel lines. So I will then be able to get this, this one I shall name it as north arrow 1, this is north arrow 2. So the very first thing I need to know is, for part C, this angle, this red color angle, N1, C, and 2, which is simply 180 degree minusing my 106.229. Okay, gotten it. Next, if I know this green color angle, I would then be able to use 360 minus away my red and green angle to get my blue color bearing here. So for part this green color angle, I'm going to apply cosine rule again, just that this time round I'm actually looking at, starting with, because this is the angle we are talking about, so it will be 4, I will start with 4 square plus 5 square minusing my 6 square over 2 times 4 times 5. And I will then be able to get my angle ACB easily. And once I do this, I will then be able to get my bearing straightforward. Angles at the point, isn't it? So bearing of B from C would then be equals to 360 degree minusing my red color angle minusing my green color angle to give me this final answer. (203.41 degree), final answer 203.4 degrees, 1 decimal place. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.